Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an Asian doll inspired makeup look, the doll way. If you know me, you know I love Asian doll. I love how authentic and just herself she is. I love her makeup, her wigs, and most of all, the diamonds on her face. So I did that today, or I tried to. So if you like this look, keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with foundation. Asian, she usually has I feel like my skin, but better foundation on. So of course, we're gonna use the Fenty foundation. I like to paint my foundation on with the brush and then go in and buff it in with Real Techniques. Now I'm gonna go on my concealer. Asian, her concealer is a little bit brighter than mine, but we're gonna work with this. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my Beauty Blender. This is not a step that I usually do, but Asian, her nose is usually really snatched. So I put the concealer down my nose and I put it on my eyelids to prepare for my eyeshadow. Does anybody know Asian doll's real name? I tried to Google it. She looks like a Britney. I don't know what the girl name is. If you know her name, comment below. And I just set my face with some Airspun. Her makeup is always flawless. And now I'm just popping pink eyeshadow on my lids. Usually when she does the jewels, she does like a really neutral eye. She does pink eyes a lot, and that's easy for me. I'm really bad at eyeshadow. This is from a BH Cosmetics palette, and I just packed the pink on until I felt that it looked pretty. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm gonna start doing more colorful looks. Yes, because I usually just do really simple looks, but I'm going to incorporate some color. Now I'm contouring using the Black Radiance palette, the best palette ever. Yes, I have the little wrap on my head. Yes, this is a wig, but I'm not even gonna try to fix the scalp. I'm so terrible at that. And she usually has black hair or colored hair, so I just wanted to make it a little more real and do a wig. And then now I'm putting on blush. Blush really brings color back to my face. And I'm doing a light highlight. She doesn't really do a lot of cheek highlight. She does more of a nose highlight. And y'all know I love a nose highlight. Okay, so I just sprayed my face and I'm going to go in and try to do some eyeliner. I'm terrible at eyeliner, but Asian always has eyeliner on. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Okay, and sometimes she has a beauty mark, a mole, whatever you want to call it. So I just did one of those, and I'm going to soften it up. What is y'all's favorite Asian doll song? Comment below. I like Lame, Savage Barbie. I love Maine. I like, what's that song with Bad Baby? Hi, B Word. I like that song. Yeah, so comment below your favorite Asian doll song. Then I'm going to put a little highlight in the corner and I'm going to smoke out the pink on the bottom. Asian usually has on, she usually just wears like a lip gloss so that her lip color can show through. So I'm doing the same thing with my Lancome lip gloss. And now for the jewels. Okay, I could not find the jewels that she used anywhere. I searched high and low, but I used these and they turned out okay. Now, as I'm doing it and I'm looking back, I probably should have left it in the pyramid way rather than how I'm going to have it in the end. But playing with the jewels was really fun, and I wish I could have done it like the super intricate way that she does it. Okay, everybody, I hope you all enjoyed my Asian doll inspired makeup look. I had so much fun rearranging the jewels. At first it was like a pyramid, then it was in the middle, but I felt this was the best. Less is best. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like and leave a comment and subscribe. And I have so many more videos coming for you guys. It's summertime, I'm out of school, so I have all the time in the world to put diamonds on my face. Bye.